Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
We are finishing the installment of rooftop gardening kit for our client. Who's this client?
This client is Mama Garu.
This client is my Mama Garu. She's getting a rooftop gardening done. A rainbow gardening kit. Meer opt chesindi, that is called rainbow gardening kit. That contains 22 seed packets. మేము ఎప్పుడు వచ్చాము? ఏ టైంకి వచ్చాము? When did we come?
1:30?
1:30. Since 1:30 now the time is 5. We've been working for her. Majilo we had food also, which is served by her only. Okay, so let's just take a look at the plants. Here you have rich gourd, and here you have pumpkin seeds. It's written there.
Yeah.
Which one is this?
This is. There is no paper on this.
Okay, it got removed. We'll go to the ones with the papers right now.
Yeah. How will we know?
These 3 plants we did not put yet.
Okay.
This is coriander. Here you have carrot. Then okra, which is bhendi. Then you have broad beans. Can you check what that is? Gongura. Amaranthus. Then that is barbati. Then you have chili here. Then you have brinjal here. Then beetroot. Idendi Rohit? What is this?
This one, no?
Radish. What is that?
Drumstick.
So Rohit right now is planting drumsticks. And Rajesh, what are you planting?
Fenugreek.
Menthu. Fenugreek.
Fenugreek.
Fenugreek. It's also called menthu in Telugu. Okay, let us go first near my sister. Get the fuck up.
Love the respect, dude. What's up?
Okay, so what do you think? How is this looking so far?
It's looking damn good.
Are you satisfied with, the effort or the work which is being done here?
Yeah.
Without, looking at it as a brother doing it? If you were a random customer,
Yes, I like it.
would you recommend it to 2 other people that you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so I would, request you to remove your phone right now and then text 2 people whom you
Okay.
think will take the service.
We'll take the service. I am okay. Hey.
Hey there.
Hey.
Okay, you type the message until then I'll speak with
Yes.
others and come. But you type the message and then I'll be showing you that she has clearly sent 2 people that thing.
Done.
So this is how you get people to get you 2 more leads without you doing shit. Anyways, this is a legit technique you can use if you have an existing client or customer. Once they're satisfied, ask them to give you 2 more contacts or 2 more people who would be interested in, opting your service or using your products. This is a very fucking easy way to, increase your customer base and clientele. Okay, Rohit, we'll go down. Let's speak with our gardener, Rohit. What's up? How was the journey for you?
Awesome, always being here around Suraj and their family members is something exciting for me because I always get a very warm reception compared to all the various other clients I go or attempt them. But yeah, this was absolutely fun and I loved everything of it. And yeah, Mamuji is serving today.
So tell them what happened.
Regarding?
So they didn't get their lunch. We planned to, finish it in 1.5 hours and head back home. We came at 1 o'clock. Tell them what happened since.
And we actually didn't plan out our lunch and we all of a sudden came and there was a surprise lunch planned by Mamu all of a sudden and absolutely loved having Telugu Inti Bhojanam. It was completely with that. Mamu Garu says a thank you. I should thank you, Mamu Garu, because this has been a feast I had after a very long time. A very happy, simple, and a traditional Bhojanam, to be honest, and I loved it. I loved it, uncle.
A new way a client is treating us, huh?
Technically.
Last time we underwent an incident like this, you know how it turned out. This time the response is opposite. So, you know, it's amazingly well.
Awesome.
Oh, you had anything to say?
Nothing else. I'm planting bottle guard at the moment, and yeah, you can come down again after 1.5 months or 2 months, and we can actually have bottle guard lunch cooked by Mamu Garu.
Mamu, yes, Mamu Garu. Okay, anyway, so you know, okay, just tell what are your take on this kit, because right now what we installed is Rainbow Garden kit, right? We have another one called we installed
Anyways, even this will give out a rainbow.
yeah, this is also a Rainbow Gardening kit. We have economic gardening kit also.
And we have a customized gardening kit also, because we charge 250 per square feet and we do customization as well.
Okay.
So according to me, taking kits is a very smart option during COVID. Like Mamu Garu and people needed our support, but I would suggest all our gardeners that don't go for support. We provide you non-contact deliveries all to your home. All this material will come to your house in sufficient quantities. So start picking up. You all are young. You all are potent enough to start your own gardening journey. It takes nothing. Just it takes the willpower and the goodness to do that. That's all. I think starting up with the basic Rainbow Garden kit and going from the beginner
Building
level
up from there.
yeah, and going to the intermediate level, that will help you. You can be the arbor farmer
See,
of
here we have couple of tools.
Hmm.
These are the gloves which we provide. This is the
Sprayer.
spray which you can be using to spray your, you know, plants.
neem oil.
This is the oil.
Neem oil.
This is the neem oil. Tell them why is neem oil important.
Neem oil, you see that like you have plants like okra, you have plants like tomato. They'll catch up with insects and all this stuff after a span of 1 month and 1.5 months. So all you have to do is take 10 ml of neem oil in water and start spraying it, so
Okay.
that you don't catch that fungus and all that stuff. And also you have Panchgavya here. This is a natural manure. People keep selling you different types of manure, but going with Panchgavya is all about nutrient and goodness. So you have to, yeah. This is Panchgavya. You get it in this color. We
So
bought
how
it.
does Panchgavya help?
Panchgavya is technically is a booster. At the same time, it's like a manure to the plant, and also it adds good nutrients to it.
Okay, so it'll help grow better.
Grow better, yeah. And also you can also combine neem oil and Panchgavya together as well, and you'll spray it. You don't get any insect. You'll have good growth.
Perfect. Chalo, get back to that thing because we've got to leave now. It's been 4 hours. We've been here.
I messaged 3 people.
We need proof.
Devo Swar, Arka Char, Big Boss Raj. Oh my god, I've like literally messaged 3 separate company ke log.
Okay, so now next thing you would have to do is, you know, send them my contact and ask them to get in touch with me.
Sure, will do.
Okay, Mamu, we'll just end this video with you in it.
మా ఇది చూసి అందరూ వేరే మీకు ఇంకా మంచి బిజినెస్ రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Thank you so much.
అది
That is like the best wish anyone could ever, you know,
Adi.
wish upon. Thank you so much, Mamu.
వెల్కమ్.
Thank you for taking this opportunity and giving us the time.
మీ అందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను కదా, ఇంకా మా గార్డెన్ ఇంకా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేశారనుకో వస్తారు చాలా మంది, నేను పైకి తీసుకొచ్చి చూపిస్తాను.
ఇక్కడ రెండు
Actually,
buildings ఉన్నాయి.
actually, there's this building which is getting constructed here. Probably 15 or 10 years ago, this was just empty land. All over was empty, but anyways, ఈ బిల్డింగ్ నుంచి ఒక అతను మేము పనిచేసేటప్పుడు he saw and he inquired what are we doing. He asked packages, he asked costs, and then he's like, I will be looking at these plants once in a month or so. Depending on the result, I'll give you a call. So I told them you can come here, ask you. She'll show you the plants.
We have a new apartment there too.
New
Like,
apartment
so
there,
much potential.
new apartment here.
This has been under construction for the past 10-15 years.
That building is kind of
గోల్డ్
fun.
అంతా నీకు బిజినెస్ చూడు మన ఇంట్లో పెట్టావు, నీకు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ
Definitely,
రావాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
definitely, Mamu. So let's just say bye. End this video. Bye, చెప్పండి.
బాయ్.
Bye.
Rohit.
Bye guys, see you again.
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Rajesh is on call with somebody. Bye bye.